Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how I made my Yoni wash for both sensitive and non-sensitive cookie. pH is very much balanced. There's no artificial color or fragrance. Full measurement will be right here and you'll definitely love this one. So let's hop on to this video. Firstly, I have glycerin weighed out. Here I'm using my glyceride. I actually made a strawberry glyceride from my previous video and I promised I was going to use it for a cookie wash. With this, I could have a cute strawberry fragrance without using any form of fragrance, and I also would have a beautiful pink to red coloring without using any artificial color. And this suits so well with me. Next, I'd have my thickener, and here I'm using xanthan gum clear. I used this percent of xanthan gum here because I really didn't want a thick gel. I wanted something not to run like water, but then having the right consistency to dispense through my container. I'll give this a warm stir. The xanthan gum took long to dissolve even when I added distilled water because of the glyceride. So in order to dissolve faster, I will take this to low heat until the xanthan gums are fully dissolved. The consistency is still very runny because the formulation is hot, so I just take this into a bowl of cold water and allow to cool gradually with continuous agitation. This will thicken the formulation as it cools down. After cooling, I'll continue with my formulation. And here I have aloe vera gel, which is a humectant. Aloe vera gel will help to soothe the skin and also help to hasten wound healing. It will also help to reduce the occurrence of bumps, especially during shaving. In summary, it's a beautiful choice in your cookie wash. So after this, I'll be adding my surfactant. These are ingredients that will help the wash to lather. And here I have decyl glucoside, which is although a very alkaline surfactant, but then I'm going to be assisting with another surfactant, cocamidopropylbutane, also known as cocobutane. It's also a very mild surfactant that is suitable for skin types. There's a pretty color change in the formula as surfactant was added, and that's because this solution has become really alkaline, but that's the cookie doesn't like. But you're going to be reducing the pH of this formula so that it suits what the cookie will like, and this will bring back a color to normal. I definitely like to use a pH adjuster, and here I'll be using lactic acid to adjust the pH. I chose lactic acid because yes, even as it serves as a pH reducer, it's also an AHA, which is a very great choice for the cookie as well, as it will help to give a very mild exfoliation to the soft skin of the cookie, thereby avoiding the stay of bacteria around the cookie, also helping to alleviate the bumps on the cookie or any form of shave rag. And then it will also help to brighten the cookie so that if you have dark areas around there, it may help to, brighten that area with time. And if you took note, when we added lactic acid, the color just hopped back to the normal bright strawberry color that we started with. But I am not done yet. I'm going to check the pH to see if it suits the pH of a good cookie wash. Normally, the right pH of a cookie wash is supposed to lie between 3.8 and 4.5. So whatever pH we get in between those figures is right fine for the cookie. So checking my pH and matching it against my pH paper, I have 5, which I have to still reduce. If you have a pH meter, you can also use that so that you get the exact pH of this Yoni wash. So I'm going to be adding more lactic acid until I get the right pH that I want for this cookie wash. If you've watched this video to this point, please take out a minute of your time to support me by subscribing to this channel. Also, please like this video as it means a lot to me. Also share this video and leave a comment in the comment section. If you don't mind, you can also check the description box. I would also leave some basic details there. And lastly, if you're new to this and you don't know where to source your ingredients, be rest assured that we have you covered. We sell quality raw materials for your natural cosmetic formulation, and you can find details in the description box. I also have well-detailed skincare ebooks that may be helpful to you. You can also see details in the description box. So right here, I think I got to the point where I already like the pH that I got, because this was around 4. Since 4 is just between 3.8 and 4.5, it is absolutely a good point to place the pH of those products. Next will be my preservative, and here I'll be using phenoxyethanol. A super and good preservative that is able to keep the shelf life of this product for over 12 to 18 months. And then I won't be leaving out my peppermint essential oil. I know most people like that cooling sensation from their cookie wash, and I do not want to use menthol crystals in this one, so I chose peppermint essential oil, which is also going to give that cooling effect in a very beautiful way. This essential oil also gave an underlining mint flavor behind the beautiful natural strawberry scent. Our natural color is back to life, although this is looking a bit more orange. And the consistency also is in check. We had no artificial coloring, neither did we have any artificial fragrancing. So this is just perfect for a cookie wash. I'll get a container with a needle cover that would be able to dispense this wash freely. You can also use a pump, a lotion bottle, a shower gel bottle, or something. Ideally, this cookie wash can be used whenever you have your bath, as often as possible. You do not have to use this on your sponge, just rub on your palm and wash your cookie with it. Also remember not to dodge as a woman. You do not have to wash the inside of your cookie, as it has its own self-cleaning properties, and you will do it more harm when cleaning it. All you have to do is to wash the surface of your cookie, the labias and the corners of the labias. That's enough. Don't do more than that. Okay, so that's for the instruction on how to use this. I know you still ask me how to use this in the comment section, and that's because you didn't watch this video to this point. But if you did, kudos to you. I hope you don't leave this video without subscribing and also liking this video. Thank you so much for your usual support. I appreciate you. I'll see you next time. But until then, take care and have a beautiful day. Bye.